In this guide, you will learn how to find and watch events on the NFHS network. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the official website of NFHS Network. Once you're over here, provide your credentials and log into your account. In case you don't already have an account, create one. After you log in, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now you can see featured live games, upcoming events, and on-demand replays. Now to find a specific event, use the search bar at the top and type in your school name, team name, or sport you want to watch. You can also tap on the menu icon and select watch events or find your school, which helps you quickly filter events by location or school. Once you select your school, you will see available live and upcoming games, including football, basketball, volleyball, and more depending on the season. Just click on any event you want to watch, and if it's live, press the play button to start streaming instantly. If it has not started yet, you can set a reminder so you don't miss it. You can also explore the on-demand section to rewatch past games anytime. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.